We're going to take care of that right now. Just take a couple of minutes. Let's get to it. There's the pool pressure gauge where it simply unscrews anti-clockwise. But before we do that, we have to close the pipes. Should have two either end. Make sure the water doesn't come gushing out, because it will. It's not too bad if it does happen. If you do forget to turn them off, it's easy. So you just unscrew it anti-clockwise. Some water will come out that's built up in there. Oh, okay. There's the gauge. So you just take out your new one. Sorry, you remove your old one. So what you need to replace your broken pressure gauge is, of course, a new pressure gauge, some plumbing tape, and scissors to cut it. I'm doing all this stuff underneath the pool. Don't need too much. The same sort of pressure gauge wasn't available at the hardware store, but I've had this sort before and it works fine. Just wrap this around. Oh, it's tricky. Okay, back to the pool pump. Here's the pressure gauge and your spanner. Remember, it's going to go into here. The first couple of turns we can use our hands. It's very, very light, so there's no pressure on the housing. We can turn that around and we'll just finish that off. As soon as it starts to feel a bit of a grip, you put your spanner in there. And finishing the tightening procedure. Again, like I said in the first video, not too tight. There's no need to do that. And we can leave it in an upright position there. Fantastic. It's done. And another really important reminder, before you turn your pool pump back on, make sure you reopen those valves you closed earlier. And they are here. They should be clearly marked. It's hard to see at the moment because it's quite dark. That's the off position, and we'll put that, because I've got two pipes, I'll put it in the center. I sure hope this tiny bit of information was helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video, and ciao for now.